Okay, so this is the new stuff for today. We're going to do a couple problems. When you get these special cases, it's when you get like a 1, a 9, a 16, a 25, something like that, where they are perfect squares. If you have this, you square root the first number, square root the second number. That's going to give you 3x. We've got a negative here. It's going to be the square root of 1 is 1. You do negative 1, 3x plus 1. So again, if it's just two things like this, there's no middle monomial, you are going to square root the first one. It's 3. You put that there. If it's a negative, you're going to have a negative and a positive. The reason that it's like this is because if I show you, if you distribute this, you get 9x squared plus 3x. If you distribute this here and here, you get negative 3x and negative 1. Both of these are positive and negative. They would cancel out, which gives you what you want here and here. So this is our answer. So here is, let's do another one. So on 6, there's a 1 here. Square root of 1 is 1. You're basically going to have an in here and here. The square root of 25 is 5. So it's going to be a negative 5 and a positive 5 because, again, that will end up canceling out those two middle values. So you end up with just these two parts. So this is my answer. On number 2, go ahead and try this one. The square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 25 is 5. You're going to have a positive 5 and a negative 5. It does not matter which order you put them in, you will still get it canceled out. Here we have square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 9, negative 3, and positive 3. All right, so that's when you have this negative value like this. For number 3, when you have a positive at the end, this is what's happening. You square root the 16, you get 4b. You square root the 25, you get 5 and 5. They're both going to be positive. Oh, I'm sorry, they're both going to be negative this time. It depends on what this middle value is. The reason it's that, so literally your answer is 4b minus 5 squared. It's 4b minus 5 squared is when we factor this, you get 16b squared minus 20b minus 20b plus 25. These combine to give you that negative 40b. You have 16b squared and 25. That's how we get this part right here. So let's do another one. So here we have a positive 1 at the end, we have a negative in the middle. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 1 is 1. The middle number is negative, so you need to put a negative here and here. So it's this. This is the answer you're going to see on the star. Okay. See if there are any more. Yeah. Let's do 16. So again, 16, square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 16 is 4. The middle's negative, so you put a negative here, so your answer is 7n minus 4 squared. 14, the middle's positive. The square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 81 is 9. But the middle this time is positive, so they're both going to be positive. So it is 10x plus 9 squared. There's 2 of them. That's why we're putting squared. There's 2 of these. We'll talk about this a little more tomorrow. That's it for today. Yeah, that's it. Have a good one.